Hmm. So I woke up a few minutes back. I have to give my last night activity. Uh, it's somewhere around 10 minutes less to 11 in the morning. So 11 a.m. So last night my tooth was paining. The repaired one. So I had two more caps. Huh? So after the surgery, those are removed. Those got out on their own. So uh, I went at my mother's. I bought that painkiller. Then from there, I pushed in petrol. Somewhere 4 in the morning I went. So pushed in petrol and I came back. Came back and I somewhere around 6 I slept. I saw very early in the morning a spiritual song before sleeping. So I thought of like it's time some God song. Then after that, huh, there is some race thing going on. Please be careful. I won't give much of the details because when I give details, some different thing is happening. I look. I'll. What my personal feeling is, no race should go after any race. That's it. That's it. Uh, I see how things are, and the police procedure. I want to say, the police officers are calling one by one to my family. That means on the opposite side in the Chembur West, they must have uh, given the details of activities done by those cellulars, which I kept already on record for past 2 years. So I don't have to worry. I'm not worried about that. From past more than 2 years, I kept everything on record that what when they did physical access. So uh, I'm not worried at all. Uh, and the thing is, I went to that funeral. After that, only for 15 minutes, I must have gone in west. Uh, all the time I was in east. Stuff was what do you call it? Not happening. I cannot say happening. It was a sad day. Uh, but stuff was what do you call it? Good things were happening. Except that funeral, I reached late and except my cousin died. Rather than that, uh, we were. I was chilling the entire day. 2 days back also. For 15 minutes, I go in west and all this stuff happens. 15 to 20 minutes. This stuff, so much fight and all, so much stuff happens. For 15 to 20 minutes, I must have gone there. So, in the evening, afternoon, I dropped my mother. And my mother was yelling at me, "What? Whenever you come to your town, you don't stay here. No, you get drunk and all." So I was like, "Ma, it's my cousin died, and what do you call it? Let me be there out." So, in the evening, I got that thread, nudes. Still today, my parents must be thinking that they were never the. They never said that. Which it is happening from past 2 years. They do it and they deny it. That it's nothing. And I was like, you wanna come out from past 2 years. So from past 2 years I've been catching them, putting them at the right corner. I first used to do the police complaint that look this so and so suspects are threatening me of nudes. So I might go out there and I used to inform everything, keep everything on record. So I used to go out where there are brothels are, not brothels, hookers are. And how I know, where did I see, when did I see? In 2014, I remember me and my friends used to hit on a club everyone's birthday. So in Club Escape in Andheri, when we came out uh, in 2014, that suspect, that rickshaw driver guy, was outside the club. And I was like, is he fucking tracking me? Huh? And we were, what do you call it? We were drinking near our car. Hmm? And I saw that suspect over there. So later I also saw he was transferring prostitutes. Hmm? So that's how I know the suspect around my house. But he was, how did he, what do you call it? Exactly, I come out, me and my friends come out and outside the Club Escape, and that fellow is in front of us. As if he is tracking me in 2014, and they were after me from 2012. So after the threats from past 2 years, I've been going, what do you call it, hitting on their prostitution record. I proved the entire world that they were doing this extortion. I proved the entire world, but I couldn't prove my parents yet that they did set the nudes and they are into that nudes thing. Wherever I go, I still don't get it. How do I prove to them? I proved it to the entire world. They must have made the nudes on 11th of Feb. I proved it to the entire world, except my parents. I still don't get it. So I did 5 hours of more than 5 hours of this thing, right? Huh? From evening, I started. The moment my parents came here and they started fighting, they didn't say about nudes. I was like, you give me the fucking money. Let me go. Let me, what do you call it? Let me have my fun. I didn't said that I'm going to, uh, in their territory. I didn't say this. So my parent would have never allowed me. Where their business runs, if I would have said my parents that let me go, let me fucking go. My parents would have never allowed me to go. That you're entering their territory. What do you got to do with their business and also? Still, I didn't. Still, I don't want to do with their business anything. But they are fucking my happiness. So I did 5 hours of ride, more than 5 hours. Uh, I covered one territory, second territory I couldn't. And uh, what do you call it? What medal did I get? I only proved to the world that they are doing the whatever threats they gave, it's for real. I proved it. But what medal did I get? What medal did I get? Did I get anything? Feels like sometimes it feels like it's useless, but if I won't do, things turns against me. Stuff turns against me. Because they are never giving their criminal activities. They say they didn't do it. How badly I'm stuck to something. Then one more thing, be careful about that race thing. Uh, look, I don't want anything free and I don't want anything. Uh, the only thing is, don't pull anyone in the. बहुत मुश्किल से सब सॉर्ट हो रहा है. Things are getting sort after what do you call it? Uh, After years and years of struggle. Don't start this race thing again. It's not good. It's not good. Neither is good for me, neither is good for anyone. Don't do it. Not over here. Some few people have done it in Chembur recently, like they have done it before, the race thing. As they have done it before, they have done that thing. Some few have done it. So after that, there was openly a race challenges among them. Okay, in Chembur. इधर तो नहीं था वैसा कोई, और इधर तो अभी भी नहीं देखता है मैं कुछ. बट इधर आपस में कुछ तो है जो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. आपस आपस में ही कुछ तो ऐसा लगता है, ये मैटर की वजह से ऐसा. आई हैव अ फीलिंग इनसाइड. मेरे को ऐसा कुछ मालूम नहीं है. मालूम रहेगा तो मैं डायरेक्ट सामने बोलेगा, बाबा मत कर ऐसा, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट. So that's the thing. And what do you call it? What medal I am getting? I am only proving stuff. What is the medal? What should be the medal? If I have exposed the enemy, then the enemy should be, what do you call it? Should be in prison for his criminal activity. So, so have fun, and I did my job. I did my job. I write it down as well. I keep this stuff, this crime activity, physical access, threats, then my action towards the threats. I kept everything on record. So I kinda, I told you it's for myself. It's of course it's to tell people that I am not that guy. The way I have been portrayed. I kind of want to say that don't go after, don't, the race thing should not start, but after a long thing it's getting short. And I have seen with my own eyes how things started. I don't want to give that details again. My mother also knows. The suspect which has done, those are very few suspects. But बॉम्बे का एनवायरनमेंट उनके थ्रू खराब हो गया. महाराष्ट्र का नहीं होना चाहिए. इंग्लिश का उनके उनके बेवकूफ़ी के, नॉट बेवकूफ़ी, उनके स्वार्थ की वजह से. इन चेंबूर no? नॉट ईयर, तभी तो मैं इधर था भी नहीं. And what more? So that's it. My toothache last night. Now when it's gonna get fixed, I still don't know.